sejenis energi yang propagate sebagai wave. Sound is produced by vibration of a medium, which is solids, liquids and gas. Sound requires a medium to propagate. Sound cannot propagate through a vacuum. Sound propagates primarily dalam solid diikuti liquid and gas. It is because the space between particles in solid adalah paling compact berbanding liquid and gas, memudahkan sound melaluinya, dan the particles in the solid vibrate fastest. The ball fall and vibrate. The kinetic energy travels through particles and vibrate. Sound waves occur and enter our ears, being interpreted and heard as sound. Sound can be reflected on hard and smooth surface objects like walls, buildings and door, while sound can be absorbed by soft and raw surface such as sponge. Contohnya sponge yang ada kat panggung wayang bagi mengelakkan reflected of sound boleh menyebabkan echo. Frequency is a number of complete waves in 1 second, which is pitching. The SI unit for frequency is hertz. 1 hertz equals to 1 vibration per second, while amplitude is the loudness of sound, which is measured as meter. The pitch of the sound depends on the frequency of the sound wave that is produced by the source. Bila frequency of the sound wave to increase, the pitch of the sound will become higher. Tapi bila the frequency of the sound wave decrease, the pitch of the sound will become slower. The loudness of the sound depends on the amplitude of the sound wave that is produced by the sound. Bila amplitude of the sound wave increase, the sound will become louder. If the amplitude of the sound wave decrease, the sound will become softer. Semua perasan tak kalau ambulans bila dekat dengan kita bunyi dia jadi wih wih wih, tapi bila dia jauh dengan kita bunyi dia akan jadi wih wih. Kenapa macam tu? Kalau nak fahamkan benda tu, kita kena fahamkan dulu wave punya frekuensi. Kalau kita ibaratkan dengan gelap, yang atas tu akan jadi ha-ha, tapi yang bawah tu akan jadi ha-ha-ha. Bezaan dia yang atas tu lagi lambat tapi yang bawah tu lagi cepat. Jadi sebenarnya ambulans tu tengah keluarkan wave. Dia dengar korang depan, dengar korang belakang. Tapi bila ambulans tu start je bergerak, frekuensi kat belah depan tu akan jadi makin rapat, tapi frekuensi kat belakang tu jadi makin jarak-jarak. So, sebab tu lah kita dengar bila ambulans tu dekat dengan kita bunyi jadi laju, bila ambulans tu jauh je dari kita, bunyi jadi lambat. Dan inilah juga yang kita panggil sebagai Doppler effect. The echo is the phenomenon of the reflection of sounds that happens at a far distance, and the reflected sound can be separated from the incident sound. So maknanya echo ni ialah fenomena reflection of sound yang berlaku dari jarak jauh, dan the reflected sound tu boleh diseparatekan daripada the incident sound yang kita keluarkan tadi, which means bunyi asal. Therefore, two separate sounds will be heard, which means the incident sound, suara asal kita tadi, and echo, the reflected sound yang telah direflectkan by the hard surface tadi, kita akan dengar. Echo boleh diibaratkan macam ni.
It has become appallingly obvious.
Reverberation is the phenomenon of the reflection of sounds that happens at close distance, and the reflected sounds is mixed with the incident sound. Maknanya, reverberation ni ialah fenomena reflection of sound yang berlaku antara jarak yang dekat, dan the reflected sound tu akan mix dengan the incident sound, which mean bunyi asal tadi. Reverberation berbunyi macam ni.
It has become appallingly obvious.
Sound yang mempunyai frekuensi yang more than 20 kHz is known as ultrasound. Echo yang diproduce by the reflection of ultrasound is applied in our daily life. Contohnya, usage of sonar in shipping and fishery industries, sonogram in medical field, and how bats estimate the distance when flying. Humans, like other animals, have their respective range of hearing. The range of hearing of humans is sounds with a frequency of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Humans cannot hear sound out of their range of hearing or sounds with frequency higher than their maximum hearing limit, or sound with frequency higher than 20,000 Hz, lower than their minimum hearing limit, or sounds with frequency lower than 20 Hz. Diagram shows the different range of hearing of humans and other animals. We need to use devices to overcome our hearing limitation. Some of the devices including hearing aid, megaphone, microphone, and stethoscope. Hearing aids are used by patients with hearing defect. It amplifies the sounds entering the ear, thus enabling the person to hear better. Megaphone or microphone are used to make announcements at big assemblies such as school assemblies. Teachers use this device to amplify their voice so that they can be heard by students who are quite far away. The stethoscope makes the soft sound of our heartbeats become audible.